How to sign up or create an account on Uphold. If you want to either sign up or create an account on Uphold, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now what you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Uphold application. Then once you launch the Uphold app, this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. So just wait until the app has loaded up. You'll find two options: to create an account or to log in. If you've already created an account, you can tap the login button from the bottom, but if you haven't, tap on the option called sign up, which also means to create an account. Now the first thing it will ask you is to simply enter my phone number. So go ahead and then simply actually type in your phone number right there, and once you've done that, you should be able to go ahead and then agree to the terms and conditions. Then tap the submit button. It will send a verification code to the phone number, and once it's done sending the code to the phone number, you will then be required to go ahead and then enter other details, and once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then log into your respective account. So this way you can create an account on Uphold. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.